Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the main power control board in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a putty knife, a 4-inch wrench, and a 4-inch nut driver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new main power control board. This main power control board is mounted under the fridge behind the toe grill. It controls and operates most major functions of the unit. If you start experiencing operational problems with the refrigerator, it's time to check and replace the main power control board if needed. To get to the part, we need to open both doors. Now I'm going to remove the grill. I'm going to use the putty knife. You can use a flat blade screwdriver if you want to. And I place it in the seam and pry it out. And now we can move it out. Alright, so this is our main power control board. And to remove it, we need to take out this single 4-inch screw on the top. I'm using a wrench, 4-inch, and we're going to unscrew that. And I'm going to pull it out. It will slide out. It's going to be far enough. Now we're going to take off this plate. It's held in place by this single 4-inch screw. And I'm using a 4-inch nut driver to take it out. I'm going to lift this off. Don't throw it away. We're going to reuse it. Same as the screw. And now we're going to disconnect all these plugs. I recommend you, if you don't feel sure about that, take a picture. But all the plugs are different, so you cannot really mix them around. But just to see where it goes, that's better to take a picture. And I'm going to take those plugs one by one out. Pressing the tabs and pulling it up. And I'm going to take these harnesses out. I'm going to put it down like this. This is the old main power control board next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, now I'm going to connect all these plugs onto the new main power control board. And we can start with in any order you'd like to. As long as you make sure that the plugs are connected properly all the way in. And I'm going to distribute these harnesses into the grooves. Press it in. And we're going to install this cover. Alright, clear this side, so there's an opening here on each side. So we need to make sure that they're clear, because we have tabs here that locks into this openings on the side. Bring it in. Press it in. And now we can secure it with the 4-inch screw. Next, we're going to slide it in. Alright, there is a notch there underneath of the fridge. There's no way you can see it unless you will use the flashlight and look real under. But this rear edge of the box will have to slide into it and lock in there. I'm going to press it in. Kind of keep it up. Alright, so we can feel that it's in there. that rear end is held in place. And now I'm gonna secure the front with this single quarter-inch screw. We kind of have to fiddle with a little bit. I need to find the hole here. All right, I'm gonna start it manually as far as we can do, and I'm gonna tighten it with this quarter-inch wrench. And I'm gonna install the grill now. I need to place it on here, the hinges, and it has to fit into the opening, and we can push it in. And now when we're done, we can close both doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.